If you look up how to clean your AirPods, most videos tell you to buy a special cleaning kit, sticky tack, or rubbing alcohol, but today we're keeping it as simple as humanly possible. We're cleaning these using literally just one Q-tip. And cleaning my AirPods weekly has helped them not look too dirty to start. My first step is always cleaning the main mesh because my ear touches this part the most. Once I do a couple swirls around there, for the most part, my AirPod is clean, but I still go over the AirPod a couple more times just to make sure I got everything. And then of course, the same step applies for my other AirPod. Once I get to the case, I make sure that where the stems charge, I really clean there so that the AirPods can still continue to charge properly. So I definitely do a couple spins of the Q-tip in there just to ensure that it's clean. And just like that, my AirPods are clean. Only took a couple of minutes and cost pretty much nothing. I think the biggest piece of advice is doing this routine weekly so that your AirPods are essentially always clean. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.